In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Chrome browser. First, a quick overview. Grammarly is a writing assistant that checks spelling, grammar, and clarity as you type online. Adding it to Chrome gives you real-time suggestions in email, social posts, and web documents. Use the Google Chrome browser and a stable internet connection because we'll install the extension from the official Chrome web store. You won't need a separate app. It runs quietly in the background. We'll keep this simple so you can start writing better in just a couple of minutes. Open the Chrome Web Store in Chrome. It's Google's official marketplace for extensions, so it's the safest place to install tools like Grammarly. If you don't have it bookmarked, just search the web for Chrome Web Store and open the result from Google. When the store loads, locate the search bar at the top. Type Grammarly in the search box and press Enter. Look for the listing named Grammarly, Grammar Checker and Writing App. Verify it's from the official publisher so you know it's legitimate, then open the listing to review screenshots, reviews, and the permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small prompt will explain the requested permissions, which let Grammarly provide suggestions in the text fields you use. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will install it in a few seconds and show a confirmation, plus a Grammarly icon in your toolbar. If your current tab is already open, refresh it so Grammarly can activate. These permissions apply only inside Chrome, and you stay in control. Grammarly can be turned off per site or altogether whenever you choose. Next, sign into your Grammarly account. The extension will open a new tab prompting you to log in. Use your existing credentials so your settings carry over. Once you're in, the extension syncs automatically and is ready to help. Now start using Grammarly. Click into any text box on the web and begin typing. You'll see underlines and a small suggestion card near your text. Click a suggestion to apply it, or open it to read a brief explanation so you learn as you go. Dismiss anything that doesn't fit your tone. Basic checks are included, and advanced suggestions are clearly labeled. On many sites, you can accept with a click or by pressing Enter, and you'll see rewrites or tone hints when available, clearly marked if they require a paid plan. If suggestions don't appear right away, refresh the page and try again. That's it. You've added Grammarly to Chrome, and you're ready to write with more confidence anywhere you type online.